In this next tutorial I'm going to show you how to add an icon to your button. Now I want a little house icon on my home button, and I want it to be the shape of a house in a very simple graphic. So I've done a Google search, home icon PNG, which is a file type like JPEG or bitmap, but PNG is a file type that often has a see-through background. So say for example I want this house here, which I'm going to click on to get to the bigger version. It's quite likely that this white area will be see-through when I save this image. Let's try it. So I'm going to save this picture. I'm not going to copy it because it wouldn't pick up those sort of settings if I just copy and paste. You need to actually save the image. And I'm going to put it in a sensible place. You put it wherever you like, in your pictures area. And I'll call that home icon, that's fine. .png. And then in Drawplus, I'm going to insert a picture. You can use this shortcut here. Insert picture. And let's see if I can find it. Home icon. And you can draw in that picture. And can you see that there's no white background behind that house? It's actually got, if I zoom in a bit, it's actually got a see-through background. That's because the image was a file that could cope with transparency. That's the kind of file that a PNG it allows transparency. If I just try copying and pasting, let's just see what happens. So I'll copy and paste that image and draw it in. Yeah, in that case it's worked fine. So if you can do that, that's absolutely acceptable, that's fine. But if you find you get the white background, you might like to go and try saving it and inserting the picture that way. So it would be nice to add some icons, if you can, to your buttons to make them look really professional. But do try to keep them looking professional and not too complicated or over the top. And when you've finished your buttons, designing them, I'll show you. You can watch the next tutorial, which is adding the rollover effect.